Our new Rode Wireless Go lavalier mic system is finally here. We're going to take a quick look at this today. We'll do a brief unboxing. I'll just show you what comes in the package, and maybe you'll be able to make up your mind about whether or not this little device is going to suit your needs. Stick with me. The Rode Wireless Go is a pretty simple setup. You can pick this accessory up for about $200. You can see basically what it is. It's a wireless lavalier system. Small transmitter, small receiver. Really makes it a lot more dynamic to be able to pick up audio when you're on the go. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box here. That's what it looks like. Go ahead and open this up. Inside the box, it appears that we have the instructions printed on the packaging itself, and there's our main two pieces of this system. We've got the transmitter that's got the built-in microphone, and we've got the receiver. So hopefully you can see those there. Let's go ahead and get those out. This is the receiver here with the small screen on it. One touch power on. And here's the transmitter. Same deal, one touch power on. Got the clip on the back. Got the microphone built into that. Here we have our charging cables inside of there. There's a charging cable for each one of the devices. We've got a couple dead cat microphone muffs. We've got our audio cable, hook up to a camera or other audio device, and a small pouch to keep everything inside of. So that's it. That's what comes in the box. Let's get everything out here. Here's our charging cables. Again, one for each, the transmitter and the receiver. And that's it. So if you order this system, this is exactly what you're going to get. No surprises. Pretty straightforward. Let's see how everything fits inside that pouch. So here we have everything inside the pouch, except for the charging wires. They just simply won't fit. So as you can see, the audio cable, one of the dead cat muffs, and the two pieces, the microphone and the transmitter, everybody fits inside that pouch very nicely. So there it is, just a quick unboxing. Just thought I'd show everybody what's in the package so you'll know what you're going to get if you happen to order this system. Hopefully the audio on it sounds good. You tell me. The audio you're listening to right now is being recorded on this system. So you make up your mind. Hey, thanks for watching today. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.